This video is brought to you by BridgeGap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
LinkedIn is much more than resumes today. I mean, LinkedIn has this whole background of being like the site which HR managers used to go to very often to look at resumes, because LinkedIn is, by the way, it's the only platform where you can actually find out, you get very up-to-date information on where the person is working, okay, and how many years of experience and what are his skills, what are the qualifications, which college, etc. Because people don't normally fake on LinkedIn because it's relating to the next job, right? So in terms of qualifications and all that, that is why HRs rely on LinkedIn to get the latest data, and that's the background of LinkedIn. Okay, it is true that say 5 years back, not much of interaction used to happen on LinkedIn. Okay, it was like a resume database, but now things have changed. Okay, so if if you are just like on Facebook and Twitter, you can be in touch with with your network, and you can see what they're up to with respect to their professional life. Okay, so what gets shared on LinkedIn is more of whatever is like if there's an award which someone has won, or if there is some industry update. Okay, if someone is working in, say, like a software company, then what are the new things which are happening in that category. If someone is working in BFSI, then is there any new thing which the Reserve Bank of India has come up with? And so those kind of news, industry trends, that is what gets shared on LinkedIn. Okay, and it gets right now it's one platform which is said to have good organic reach. Okay, which means if you are it will reach out quickly to your friends, to your immediate network. It's as compared to Facebook, Twitter, the others. Okay, now when I say it's almost like the others, so that means that there are, whenever you're doing posts, okay, you can use hashtags, and you should use hashtags. Okay, so and just like you can go to Twitter and you can search using hashtags, because similarly here you can search using hashtags. Okay, so for example, okay, say SEO services. Okay, so just like on Instagram you can follow, so all that is now, that's why it's almost, see, the thing is that now most social media platforms are looking similar to each other. Okay, so one is hashtag, the other thing which is common is the stories. Okay, LinkedIn also has stories. You will not see it here on the desktop, but if you look at it on your mobile, you will see stories. Okay, and then it also has pages. Okay, so when I say pages, I have this open. So for example, this Tata Click. Okay, this is a page, LinkedIn page of Tata Click, just like you have a Facebook page. Okay, this is a LinkedIn page, and these are the kind of updates that have happened here. Okay, so these are the posts. Okay, these are the kind of posts which have happened, and you can see that it is more of professional industry interactions, employee related updates. If there's something which is which someone has put out, some something with respect to professional achievements, or people moving from one role to another, right? So those are the kind of things which will come up on LinkedIn, and they get a good response on LinkedIn. Okay, now especially now, see, this is the example of Tata Click, which is a big brand. Okay, the Tata brand, but the what I would, what from my experience, you will, if you make a page on LinkedIn and it does not get good interaction. Okay, so it is best that on LinkedIn you should network as individuals. Okay, so if there is a company, what you normally, if it's a small business, like not like a big brand, like what we typically advise is that the promoters of the company, the top management of the company, they have to be active on LinkedIn. They have to be making posts, okay, and they have to build their network. Okay, you can send requests, so that's the kind of because once you build your network, more and more people see your posts. You can message them directly. Okay, once people accept your connections, right? So the those things don't change. Those, you have to first, someone has to accept your request, and then you can send them a message. Okay. um, so, and there are other things like there's, if you look at LinkedIn, one thing is that you will find that uh, videos, okay, videos are getting good weightage in the feed. Then there are PDFs. Okay, PDFs. I mean, I'm trying to show you an example, but basically, PDFs where, yeah, this is a PDF, for example. Okay, where this also gets a good, it looks good on the feed, and a lot of people are doing that. Okay, you can see that it's quite visible on the feed, and it's on the mobile also. It's good to browse. So the message here with respect to LinkedIn is trying and doing more of industry related updates. It is try to stick to professional content. The formats like PDF do well. And if you're a smaller company, my advice would be not to rely on company pages, LinkedIn company pages, because it doesn't get the kind of reception yet. Okay, it is better that you network as individuals, and try and build your network, and you can then start messaging your contacts, and in that fashion. Okay, so that's how you should look at LinkedIn.